Hey, this is Todd from Fixing Cars and Stuff, checking in. Again, thank you for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. It's a nice little goal. My main goal is just to make videos that help people fix cars. I know when I'm looking at a video, because I do look at videos, and to help me do things, because sometimes our service manuals aren't always so helpful. Just they have words but no pictures, and they say take out the 7 bolts, but they don't tell you where the 7 bolts are. So it's nice to go on YouTube, and people like myself, other guys are making videos, and I haven't seen this vehicle before. They make the video and they help me. Car coming in. They help me figure out where those bolts are and things like that. So I know YouTube is super helpful. So what are we, end of September 2022, lots of things going on. The shop is, it was busy. I just got back from a nice vacation. It was nice to get away, and here we are back, and it seems to have slowed down a bit. So I don't know if it's just the ebb and flow of my business, and I was thinking it's hard to believe it's been 30 years I've been doing this, and so I know about the ebbs and flows of being busy and not busy. I've been at this shop for 8 or 9 years, I think now, and it's been the busiest, continuously busiest shop I've ever been at. Otherwise, most of the other shops have had their ebb and flows, but this place was really slow in 08 and 09 when that debacle happened, and here we are in the technical recession, and things are going on. So I thought I would just get on here and talk a little bit about cars, and I guess let me know if you're feeling the pinch of this recession yet. It's a little early here to tell, but if we have a couple weeks of this, that'll definitely be a sign, in my opinion, that we're dealing with it even in this automotive industry. But so if you're having problems with your cars, specifically if you're having leaks with your cars, if they're just like very minor drips or just stains of, I don't know, coolant or oil or transmission fluid, if it's not raining out of the vehicle and you are in a position where money's very tight, just make sure the fluid is topped off. That's really it. Most important. If you have a little oil leak, you just make sure it's full, and you shouldn't have any problems. I mean, we've been seeing newer cars, 2016, 2017, 2018. Low oil now causes check engine lights and issues like that. So people are just not checking their oil. So the best thing you can do for yourself is check your oil, make sure it's full. If you have your car in the shop for a concern of any kind of leak like that, and you're just strapped, certainly have a good talk with them and see how bad it is, and if you think you can continue on with, the radiator might just have some staining, some minor leaking. There's no drips on the ground that you ever saw, but they say, hey, your radiator's leaking, then and you're strapped. Maybe you can just throw some stop leak in there, see if they're willing to do that. You just don't have the money to to do the $300, $400, $500 job, which I'd understand. I try to put that stuff off of my cars as much as I can. So in this tough time, there certainly are ways that you can certainly have a good talk about someone if it can be put off, what the dangers are if you don't do something right away. So please hold. That was the second fire truck or ambulance in the last 20 minutes. Just got back from a test drive on this Jeep, checking for an oil leak, and almost ran into a couple baby deer. Another 30 feet. If I hadn't seen them earlier, I would have ran into a couple deer on my test drive. Yep, so it's a good day. I missed the deer, so back at the shop safely, letting it run. So I don't know how much news you guys are watching, but I'm watching the news and seeing how things are going out there, and I do have some money in the stock market. It's going the wrong way. So I don't know if you've heard of triple leveraged funds, but I am going to take a little road down that that avenue of triple leverage funds. There's several of them, but if you do a little Google search for triple leverage funds, you can make money when the stock market goes up, and there's several ways to make money when the stock market goes down. You can do with options, but that's a little more work in my opinion right now. I do a little more research on that, but I think you have to be more in front of the computer to do options. I'm not sure you can preset buy and sell orders and things like that and stop losses with options. So I'm going to choose to try and do I'm doing a triple leverage bear S&P 500 ETF. It's SPXS. The S at the end stands for short. You can do SPXL, and the L would stand for long. So basically, the one I'm doing right now, as long as the stock market goes down, this triple leverage fund will try to make money and triple the amount basically for that day. So if the S&P 500 went down 1%, in theory, this triple leverage fund would make about 3% on the day. So as long as the stock market goes down, in theory, this will make money and it will go up in value. So that's the route I'm taking. They've been talking about a bull run, a little bull run here before it goes down again. But lots of people are saying it's going to continue going down. So that's the game I'm going to play. So maybe keep checking in and see how it's doing for me. I'm about break even right now still. So it goes up a little bit, then it goes down, just like the stock market. But I do expect, I'm kind of hoping that the stock market will go up a little bit, and my account will actually drop in value, but I'll be able to buy more SPX S at a lower price. Right now when I'm shooting this video, it's about 26 bucks. But in one of my other accounts, I got it for 18 about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I'm kind of hoping to have one more run. And I'm not going to try and make money on the way up there, but I'm going to try and buy some SPXS. It should drop in price then when the stock market goes up. So I'm going to try and pick it up at a better price and hopefully ride it down. Kind of expecting, people are talking about the stock market going down another 10 to 40%. So that's quite a range. But if I can triple any of those numbers, that'll be good for me and I'll be pretty happy. But we'll see how it goes. Triple leverage stocks or ETFs are riskier. So, but at this point, I'm willing to, the little money on the side that I have, I'm willing to take the chance on that. I wouldn't really recommend you invest money. As I say, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. So, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if you want to see someone make some money or laugh at someone for losing money, then it might be the person that you're looking at right now. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens over the next few months, because it is pretty frustrating just to watch the stock market go down and think you can't do anything about it, but there's ways to make money on the way down. So if you have money out there, it's something to educate yourself on and try and prevent too much blood from flowing out of your accounts. So have a great day. We'll check in a little later and maybe talk about some other stuff. So take care. We'll see you guys.